magpark doon. So we asked 2 security guards kung pwede ba magpark doon and they both said no. Tapos niraradyo-radyo na nila. Nakakairita kasi ang tagal namin nag-aantay doon and like the audacity to park there, hindi naman yun parking. Problema talaga natin itong mga Pinoy, yung entitlement. Siguro ang thinking niya is hindi naman ako nakablock sa kahit anong daanan, so okay lang magpark dyan. We were so pissed, I started taking photos of the car. Kasi I hate that. That's one of my pet peeves, yung entitlement. Sana man lang nahiya ka sa amin, di ba? Kasi nauna kaming nag-aantay dun. And hindi sila bumalik agad, just like we thought. Nag-antay kami ulit nang may umalis dun sa area namin. Nung may umalis na, tsaka lang kami nakapark, pero nakapark pa rin sila. So it wasn't, sandali lang, may kukunin lang kami, babalik din kami agad. Nope, they parked there and they shopped. The audacity. Kasi napakaraming sasakyan na nagpapaikot-ikot, makahanap lang ng proper parking. Sarap pasabugin, sa totoo lang.